We're in Mint Canyon of Canyon Country, and there are currently families screaming, and there are dozens and dozens of families on this block here of Quinn Drive and Shannon Court at this intersection being told to evacuate because the fire has crested this hill here. As you can see, us previously standing at the top of this hill here. As you can see, it's basically just covered by smoke at this point. As the fire within 10 minutes had come over the top of the hill, basically forced these people out of their homes. Currently, you can just see residents leaving as it comes up on their homes. If you can look closely, you can see that back gate there is on fire.
Yeah, they wanted to stay and try and protect. There's a fire unit. Oh, nice. Wow. Got to re-rack that. That is. Now, I think those are some of the folks who took off and ran. And then now they came back into super scoopers. We believe they are airborne. They can get water right off the Pacific Ocean and get back in here.